Welcome to BSG Platform General page. This is the main work area where you start working on the platform. Let's have a look at its main sections. Fast Start section. Clicking on Getting Started will direct you to the main page you are currently viewing. Create Campaign will reveal a list of available products for campaign creation. Product section. Channels provides a list of messaging products available for you. Security reveals the 2FA product options. Data cleaning offers Number Verifier and Number Verifier Bot. The Website Tools tab shows essential BSG tools for your website. And All Products shows all BSG products and tools together. In the Management section, you can find a link to your contact book, navigate to pages for balance replenishment, payment history, and balance history. Access the page with our prices and tariffs or set up API and integration. In API section, you can find the keys which allow you to connect and transfer integration data. With the buttons on the right, you can display or conceal and copy them as needed. Through the Help section, you can access the pricings, our blog, knowledge base, or API documentation. On the right, you can find a block with your account data. It displays your email, phone number, unique ID, the ability to add funds, the number of contacts, etc. At the very top of the page, you can check your balance, notifications, switch the language, go to your profile settings, remote access, or log out.